Certain lithium chemistries found in car batteries are significantly more volatile than what we use in the marine world. Any lithium system, even marine-grade batteries, can enter thermal runaway if the BMS system isn't right. That's the battery management system. A lithium fire is not a fire in the way you're picturing. This is a self-sustaining chemical reaction generating its own oxygen, and it burns at roughly 2,000 degrees. The cabin goes from smoky to blazing inferno in seconds, not minutes, seconds. And the companionway, because that's where all the oxygen is, becomes this inferno of fire.